Assalamu alaikum. Who is Dawud in Islam? He was the humble shepherd who became a mighty king. But the story that makes his name unforgettable is the stone that halted a giant. In the Battle of Goliath, a young boy with a single sling was called to the front lines. The Quran records, "Do you then think that a stone will ask the Almighty for its own sake? Allah is the one who gives the stone the power to strike." Surah Al-Baqarah 255. Dawud's courage and trust in Allah turned an ordinary stone into an instrument of divine justice. The verse reminds us that faith can empower the smallest of ours to bring down the grandest of obstacles. The full story is pinned in the comments, back and index pointing down. Like and subscribe to help our channel reach more brothers and sisters. Every share is Sadaqah Yariyah. Wa alaikumus salam.